Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. The price has pushed against the resistance area we talked about here, against Fibonacci resistance, which is located between $11.62 and $12.42. So this is the Fibonacci resistance area relevant for a B wave rally here that we talked about. Okay. The price has reacted to the 1162 level, but without clear top confirmation. So a wider ABC structure at this point is possible. And as you can see, if I zoom in a little bit and go to the 1 hour chart, that reaction is really hardly noticeable. We haven't even formed a lower low. Breaking below the Sunday low at around $11.16, followed by a break below the Saturday low at $11.08, would be further confirmation that we've actually topped there, at least in wave A, or even this larger B wave already. But for now, it's just simply consolidating, and it's not really showing clear signs of a rejection other than a small dip. So I think we can still watch for potentially higher. I mean, this B wave might be shallow. This one, this pullback, and I need to see further confirmation that all of yellow wave B is topped before confirming that yellow wave C to the downside has started. At this stage, I'm not convinced that it's topped. Actually, it looks a little bit like a 5-wave move up on the micro level. So that's why I added earlier today this more extended ABC structure to the chart, which means that as long as we stay above the Thursday low, which is located at $10.35, a wider B wave is currently preferred. No? And it takes a break above 1241 to suggest that even something more bullish is unfolding. So this is the resistance area that is relevant for the yellow scenario, which also keeps the trend locally down from the September high. Overall, we could argue that the trend is up from the August low. So, we see this sequence of higher highs and higher lows, but we need further upside to confirm that further. It's very choppy, the structure, and there's a lot of overlap in the micro patterns. So it's essentially simply a range. And if we zoom out a little bit further, we can see that this rally pretty much mirrors what the price already did between April and May. So it's simply a corrective rally, and it requires more evidence that we can really say that a larger substantial wave 2 long-term low has been established on the 5th of August. I'm just not convinced at this stage. To really confirm that and to unlock prices in the $100 range, we need the first 5-wave pattern to the upside. And that needs to reach $19.50 essentially. So 5 waves up to $19.50 or higher. But that's sort of the minimum expectation. Okay, so you see this here from the August low, wave 1, wave 2, then A, B, C, and wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this is what we would need to see for a further confirmation that really that substantial low has formed here in August. Until then, this is just a choppy, could be an ABC structure, which topped in wave X of 2. And then this would be an ABC structure to the downside. Essentially, this is a range at the moment, and 690 is the relevant support level for the overall bullish thesis on the long-term chart. But looking at the short term, we have a very clear resistance area to watch for this B-wave rally, potential B-wave rally. And again, a break below that Thursday low at 10.35 would confirm further. Yellow is really taking the lead, or is actually leading. And a break below the September low at around 9.28 would further confirm that even, yeah? So that red line is the invalidation point, the formal invalidation point for the white count, where a wave 2 in a diagonal bottomed early in September. So it's a range bound. We need to stay flexible currently in the current price range. It is a range, so it can literally break out either way. I think important is to understand the key levels. That allows you to calculate your reward to risk ratio depending on where you want to enter if you want to trade this. But essentially the bottom line is, until we get that 5-wave pattern to the upside in white to 1950 or higher, we don't really have a solid long trade setup. So that's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.